Welcome to Keith's second WordPress tutorial. In this tutorial, I cover the difference in pages and posts, which are the major content and information holders within your website. So please go ahead and open up your web browser and go to your website and log in. And remember, use your username, password. You can remember me. And since we're actually working on this site, let me show you the trick that I like to use, where you right click here to open this link in a new tab, and now you can work behind the scenes and you'll be able to see the changes automatically in the other tab. Now let me describe posts and pages to you. A post, in my unconventional perspective, is used for updates, for information that you want to categorize, for quick things. You're not necessarily going to use posts as your web pages. They're not necessarily the meat of your website. The pages that you see down here, I look at more like a traditional HTML web page. However, you have a lot more options in how you use these pages. But for the most part, what you want to do is to have the content be relatively fixed, so you don't necessarily have to think about it again or mess with it. And then to update the website, you just have to add new content with a post. So let's take a look at posts. Go ahead and click on this link here, and you see that it expands and gives you all kinds of different links here. You can add new posts. You can put tags on your posts, which helps you categorize them. You can create categories for your different posts so that you can so people can find information according to a hierarchy that makes sense. That you want to be able to present your content logically. This is a plugin that allows you to change the order of your posts on the navigation page. And so when we go and look at the post, you've got the title here, you've got an edit link, a quick edit link. You can delete the post and you can view the post. You can see who the person that wrote it, and you can see that the categories that it's in, any tags that it may have, and a date that it was first created. Now posts, when you go to your website, are usually what's going to show up here on the side. Okay. The pages are the other things which are a little bit more fixed, and you don't change. Let's go ahead and take a look at those pages. You'll see that the structure for editing them and for the titles and everything is exactly the same. And now take a look here where it says home or about school or about Urja. When you look at the website, those titles are also the links. So when you title your pages and your posts, the title is very important, also for search engine optimization. So it's your link, it makes people understand what you're trying to communicate, and Google will index your post by that particular title. Now when you want to edit something, you can actually go in there and just click the edit button. And we'll actually go over the editor more in depth with the next tutorial. I just wanted to show you briefly that you have different options for your posts and your pages. You have the status over here, and you can create a post and make it a draft where you can save it for review and publishing later. You can also make your post password protected, so only a person who has the password can view it. And you can make it private so that only members and people who have access to your website can view it. And then this button here is your primary publish button, your save button, your redo button, and it's all just everything's in this little area over here. So that should cover the basics of the difference in a post and a page. Just remember, pages are fixed content, posts are more your dynamic and updates and things like that. Thank you very much. I hope you have a wonderful day.